you want to go to class ilmu, you want to belajar Al-Quran, you want to faham Al-Quran, tahni'ah. Itu satu tanda Allah love you. There are certain tanda sisters that if it is in you, Allah love you. One of it is that you berminat ke majalis ilmi. Nak dengar ustaz ni, nak dengar ustaz tu, nak hadir majlis ni, nak hadir majlis tu. Itu tanda-tanda kita Allah sayang kepada kita. Another tanda, sisters, you are beloved by people. Man ahabbahu nas, ahabbahu Allah. Hadis sahih. Barang siapa people love, people like, Allah also like. Tanda, if you have a lot of people never talk bad about you, like you, when they see you, they are happy. It is a very good sign that Allah loves you.